Hello friends, today we will create dog and butterfly manipulation in Photoshop 2022. This is the final result of the video. So let's start. Drag and drop this image. Press Ctrl plus T to resize the image. I want to remove this man, so select the spot healing brush tool. Select the dog image. Drag and drop this image. Press Ctrl plus T to resize the image. Right click on this layer and select the flip horizontal. And now select this butterfly. Drag and drop this butterfly. Press Ctrl plus T to resize the image. Rename this layer dog. Dog. Rename this layer background. And rename this layer butterfly. Click on the dog layer and select the new adjustment layer and select the levels. Click this layer. Again click on the new adjustment layer. Select the color balance. Select the dog layer and select the brush tool. Fill the black color, then hit OK. And now click on the smudge tool and use it over dog edges. Disable the levels layer for a moment. Select the butterfly layer. Click on the new adjustment layer. Select the levels. Click on clip in mask. Select the brush tool. Fill the black color, then hit OK. Create a new layer. Select the eraser dropper tool and select the cyan color. Click on the drop down box and select the overlay. Create a new layer. Select overlay. Select the background layer and click on the new adjustment layer. Select the levels. Select clip in mask. Create a new layer. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest update of the new video. If you need to connect with me, follow me on Instagram at AmritaGFX. If you want to know how to create a robot face in Photoshop, so click on this video. Bye bye, take care. I will see you in the next video.